Ball bearing brackets, vertical ball bearing brackets are localized onto the surfaces. They may be fixed with glue. I have industrial glue holding them down to the surfaces. This has freedom for rotation. I glued the brackets part down on the ends and around the sides, enabling the ball bearing to have freedom. This is on a heat sink as far as coil aluminum, and the surface is bearing permanent actual coil. This coil will be then compiled with the additional segment, which is a 24 gauge stainless steel wire, and it will be spun alongside around the exterior of the wires. And then after that, another layer of aluminum shall be added. Another layer of aluminum wire, and then another layer of coils. The coils shall be fixed with inside like an armature. So the coils in a linear motion, like the armature that has a pull and push that is unfolded, will have north and south polar. So usually on an armature there are 24. No, usually on an armature there are about 6 or 8 coils. I think 8 coils, and the coils on the armature are fixed circular in between one another, so that it may operate like a linear motor as 000 over one another. So a zero intersecting a zero, or a circular intersecting another circular in series. So when it's deformed into a circular, the series creates a circular rotation. So what I'm going to do is add aluminum for the Faraday cage and wire over after I spun metallic wire to flux the density, increase the flux. And the aluminum wire shall enclose it with a glue, and then I shall apply another linear coil directly up and down this exterior over the aluminum coil that I have bearing on the top. This will enable the central to move directly up, phased by the coil, the external coil, which is going to be externally from it. And that coil shall be because this is the calf, the coil shall be enclosed with aluminum sheet. The aluminum sheet should be about 2 millimeters in thickness, and the cockpit shall contain a copper sheet about 2 millimeters in thickness and gauge. So the rotary bearings are for the fans, which are also as permanent magnets, and they shall rotate while alongside the surfaces and cool the air at the same time, transmitting its isotropic electrodynamic radiation or pressure, Newtonian energy, to flux the density and to the segment. Batteries and etc. electronics will be added to this and enclosed in ceramic. Ceramic patches, as far as using plastic and coating the plastic with exterior as composites for components of electronics, for rangefinders, gyroscope sensors, modules, MCU chips, and different other variable sensors. My name is Morton, and this is the way for the calf area of the 5, and so I'll wear it, and goodbye.